This video features O-Level Biology 5090 Paper 1 questions from the May/June 2016 session. Moving on, we will continue by reviewing the next set of questions. In the first question, the diagram shows a cross-section of a dicotyledonous leaf. Which labeled parts of the leaf carry out photosynthesis? The answer is C2, 5, and 6. Let's break this down. The palisade mesophyll labeled 2 is rich in chloroplasts and is the main site of photosynthesis. The spongy mesophyll labeled as 6 also contains chloroplasts and contributes to photosynthesis. The stomata labeled as 5 are involved in gas exchange but do not perform photosynthesis themselves. In the next question, a leaf was picked from a plant that had been exposed to sunlight for 8 hours. After testing it with iodine solution, the leaf shows distinct color patterns. The green parts of the leaf turn blue-black, indicating the presence of starch. However, the white parts of the leaf do not change color, showing no starch is present. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. In the next question, the graph shows how the rate of photosynthesis of a plant varies with light intensity at 2 different carbon dioxide concentrations. The temperature is kept constant at 20 degrees Celsius. Which factor is limiting the rate of photosynthesis at point X? To determine the limiting factor at point X, consider the following. If the graph shows that the rate of photosynthesis levels off despite changes in light intensity, then increasing light alone is not improving the rate of photosynthesis. Given that carbon dioxide concentration varies in the graph, if photosynthesis is not increasing with light intensity at point X, it indicates that the concentration of carbon dioxide is the limiting factor. Therefore, at point X, the rate of photosynthesis is most likely limited by the concentration of carbon dioxide. So, the correct answer is C, concentration of carbon dioxide. In the next question, the diagram shows part of the alimentary canal and associated structures. What are organs P and Q? Based on common anatomical knowledge, organ P is the stomach. It is responsible for mixing food with gastric juices to begin digestion. Organ Q is the pancreas. It produces digestive enzymes and hormones like insulin. The next question is, what is correct for the formation of urea? The correct answer is option B, that is, urea is formed from the breakdown of amino acids in the liver. This process converts toxic ammonia into urea, which is then safely excreted from the body through urine. The next question is, which statement about chemical digestion in the human alimentary canal is correct? A digestion of carbohydrates is completed in the colon. B, enzymes are secreted to break down cellulose in the duodenum. C, protein digestion is completed in the ileum. D, the stomach secretes enzymes to break down starch. The correct answer is C, protein digestion is completed in the ileum. This is why, because protein digestion begins in the stomach and continues in the small intestine. By the time food reaches the ileum, most of the protein digestion is already complete. The ileum mainly absorbs the amino acids that result from this digestion. So, while digestion starts earlier, the ileum is essential for absorbing the final products. The next question examines a question about the functions of different parts of the alimentary canal and associated organs. The question is, which row correctly describes the functions of the parts shown in the diagram? Let's break down the functions and match them to the structures. Structure 1 is the stomach, which is primarily involved in the digestion of proteins. Structure 2 is the pancreas, known for producing digestive enzymes. Structure 3 is the small intestine, where absorption of nutrients, including amino acids and glucose, occurs. Structure 4 is the bile duct, which transports bile, but it does not produce bile. Structure 5 is the liver, which produces bile. Now, let's analyze the options. Option A, Structure 1, digestion of protein, Structure 3, absorption of the products of digestion. This accurately describes the stomach and small intestine. Option B, Structure 2, emulsifying fats, Structure 3, absorption of amino acids and glucose. This is partially correct, as Structure 2, the pancreas, does not emulsify fats, it produces digestive enzymes. Structure 3 correctly describes the small intestine's function. Option C, Structure 4, production of bile, Structure 5, making digestive enzymes. This is incorrect because Structure 4, the bile duct, does not produce bile, it only transports it. Structure 5, the liver, produces bile, not digestive enzymes. Option D, Structure 4, storing digestive enzymes, Structure 2, making digestive enzymes. This is incorrect as Structure 4, the bile duct, does not store enzymes, it transports bile. Structure 2, the pancreas, does make digestive enzymes. So, the correct row that accurately describes the functions of the parts shown in the diagram is option A, Structure 1 digestion of protein, and Structure 3 absorption of the products of digestion. The next question is to get a good mix of carbohydrates, calcium, fiber, and vitamin C. Which option is the best? The answer is B, green beans and cereal. Here's why. Carbohydrates, cereal provides a substantial amount of carbohydrates, which are essential for energy. Calcium, many cereals are fortified with calcium, and while green beans aren't high in calcium, they still contribute a bit. Fiber, green beans are an excellent source of dietary fiber, and many cereals are also high in fiber. Vitamin C, green beans contain some vitamin C, supporting your immune system, even though they don't have as much as fruits and vegetables. In comparison, options like fish and eggs, meat and milk, and yogurt and cheese don't offer as balanced a mix of these nutrients. For instance, fish and eggs lack fiber and vitamin C, while yogurt and cheese provide calcium but not much fiber or vitamin C. So, for a well-rounded source of these essential nutrients, green beans and cereal are your best choice. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.